Hello, hello. This is my second sprint project. It's very different than the document I submitted a week ago. And there's reasons for that, mostly because I woke up at 2 a.m. one morning with a really cool idea, got started on it, got about halfway through what I was working on for it, and realized that this also technically covered the criteria for the assignment, and since I was already working on it, I decided to just switch gears. So this is the Calyx Codex. It is going to be a character builder for TTRPG characters, specifically for my Dungeons and Dragons world that I've created for my friends. And it'll have everything from a in-depth character builder where you can build in your own character and have a character sheet, as well as all of the lore tidbits on the world I created and all that fun stuff. And so the very first part of it I did was ancestry. So these would be the ancestries that they choose in the game, and these are pulled from a database. We're using Mongo database, which is a cloud database. And here in the Calyx Codex, and see here is going to be the details. I've separated the ancestries and some of their traits and features that they get to make it easier when it comes time to building the actual code or character builder. Just be easier to pull from that. But the main gimmick for this assignment that is meeting the requirements is going to be the users. So right now we have my user. We won't be using that one though because we'll be creating a new one to prove that we can add, edit, and delete stuff to the database. So if we go back to home, let us register a new account, and we'll call this Tester McTestface. And his email would be test@mail. And we will put the password as test. There we go. Register. No thanks. Alright, so we just created a new user. You can see it's saying welcome Tester McTestface, and it's actually even changed the nav menu, so now we have an account page and a logout page instead of the register and login. If we go here and we refresh our database, we will see now that we have Tester McTestface right here. And the password's been hashed for security purposes, so you can't hack the database and get someone's password, which is good. Alright, so let's go to the account page. So we just added a new user. We've added a new item onto the database. And so now we have the options. We can change password and we can delete the account. Now, it's kind of hard to show you about changing the password because it's all in it's securityed. So you'll just have to trust me, but I'm going to put in the password test, and we will now change it to test. There you go. So you can see that it's longer. The new password is going to be longer. Alright, so we save, and we got account updated successfully. Even oh, you can even see there. You can see I put test to test. That actually would be a good way to show you that it's working. Alright, so now if I try putting in current password, just test again, and I'll put test again down here, I will get current password is incorrect. You can see I did put test, and yeah. So if we change it back to, so it's test, if we change it back to just one test, we save changes. See, count was updated successfully again. Wonderful. Now to delete the account, yeah, so I can refresh the database. You can see that it was updated at whatever that time is. I'm not going to bother trying. It's like 16, 17. It looks like it's UTC as well. It's 9 a.m. my time. So I'm sure that matches. You can see that it was created and then edited 2 minutes ago. So it's logging the edits. So let's go ahead and delete this guy. We're just gonna confirm email and delete account. And there we go. We've been logged out, and you can see that. And if we update the database, tester McTestface is gone. There he is. Now we just have my old account that I use. So there you have it. Welcome to the Calyx Codex.